Are you aware that some of the foods and drinks you consume every day could be harming your kidneys? Your kidneys play a vital role in removing waste and maintaining overall health. So it's important to know which foods and drinks to steer clear of to protect these essential organs. First on the list, we have goat cheese. Although tasty, can be harmful to your kidneys. It contains high levels of salt and fat, which can increase blood pressure and strain your kidneys. Too much goat cheese can eventually lead to kidney problems. Next up, coffee. As much as we rely on that morning cup to kickstart our day, it's important to consume coffee in moderation. Caffeine, found in coffee, is a stimulant that can increase blood pressure and lead to dehydration. This can put strain on the kidneys and potentially impair their function over time. Moving on, let's talk about red meat. Red meat, such as beef and lamb, may be a staple in many diets, but it's also a silent killer for your kidneys. It contains large amounts of protein, which your kidneys have to work hard to eliminate. Over time, this can cause damage to your kidneys and increase the risk of developing kidney disease. Now, let's address dark chocolate, a treat loved by many. While it has some health benefits, dark chocolate contains a compound called oxalate. When consumed in excess, oxalate can crystallize and form kidney stones. These stones can cause severe pain and may even require medical intervention to remove. Another common culprit is sugar. That sweet temptation we all love can be extremely harmful to our kidneys. Consuming excessive amounts of sugar can lead to diabetes, which is a major cause of kidney disease. The high levels of sugar in your blood can damage the delicate blood vessels in your kidneys, reducing their ability to function properly. Finally, we have alcohol. Many of us enjoy a drink now and then, but excessive alcohol consumption can take a toll on your kidneys. Alcohol is a diuretic, meaning it increases urine production and can lead to dehydration. Moreover, alcohol can impair the function of the kidneys of filtering the blood, leading to toxins build up in your body. Remember, taking care of your kidneys starts with the food you eat. By making healthier choices and reducing your intake of these foods and drinks, you can protect your kidneys and promote overall well-being. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Take care of your kidneys, and we'll see you next time.